go. Yeah, hold that pose. Let's get it going, because that's a great freaking pose. Definitely in its wilderness. Sit up just a tad. Come up, not so much. Yeah, about right there. Yeah. All right, here we go. I gotta center myself just a tad bit better. Yeah. Alright guys, look at this. We just got done with that. Hope you enjoyed that little bitty mini shoot that we just did. I'm just going to vlog this out. You ain't going to get the typical intro from me because that wasn't even a typical video.
That was a 4 hours. There was nothing mini about that.
Well, I'm talking about that little mini thing that's actually the little video that I told you I was going to record while we were taking those photos. That's what I'm talking about. No, this was a long ass shoot. Like, we did a lot here, guys. Like, we did a lot of stuff. It was fun. She enjoyed herself. I'm glad she didn't, like, anything else to do today.
I have to go get my sister. I have to go to her volleyball game.
Alright, guys, you hear it. But I'm glad she came out here, man. We started like at 10 o'clock in the morning, 10:30 or something like that. Got it done. So I really hope you enjoyed those photos that we had from her. And we eating cake, as you can see, that was in the photo.
It's real cake.
So I'm about to go ahead and dive into some of this cake too, guys. And of course, if you want to follow Haley, all this stuff is going to be down in the description box. Of course, it will have been in the description box below, right? Tell to follow you. Yeah, just follow it. Of course, if you like my work, please consider yourself subscribing. And to the next video, hey. To the next video, man. Peace.